what it do, what it be, and what it is. It's your boy Robert Reezy, and we are back with an install video. What the fuck? Anyways, finally replacing the old seat with the new Track Specialties Predator 3. Take a look at that guy right there. Clean more. So, double diamond stitched. Nice low profile. Nice big, I think it's a 6-inch 6-inch push or whatever it is. Track Special ties. Logo on the side. So I ended up going to Specialties for this. They are an online retailer. However, they do happen to be, if you live in the Omaha area or in Lincoln, they're in Lincoln, or they're in Omaha as well. I'm actually looking forward to this. It was kind of a toss-up between this and Saddlemen, and I really like Saddlemen. But with this particular bike, I'm not trying to like go the full-on like expensive build. Like, this is more of the budget build. But yeah, the next thing we're gonna probably do to this bike will be bars, T-bars that we're gonna go through for. Actually, I'm not gonna tell you about that yet. That'll be a next time video. But yeah, beautiful, beautiful seat. And because this is made for road glides, road kings, street glides, or whatever it is, it's gonna be a little shorter on the tank because Ultras have the mini panel. So I ordered an extension panel thing, whatever it's called. So we'll get that on there as well. That comes in tomorrow though, so that'll be a separate thing. And I took the tour pack off actually last night, so we're gonna take this guy off real quick. And you can see that I'm gonna be able to show the difference now, because this is like a dramatic difference in seat. Like, I'm not even being sarcastic. Like, look at the difference, just a side by side between the two. Like, that's a dramatic difference in size. Overhead, big booty Judy. Average booty like me. Big booty Judy. Average booty like me. Keep it coming up, looking at the top. You can see how there's gonna be that short, like I said, the short. So this little part right here is gonna be a gap. But I have the extension kit, like I said, it'll be here tomorrow, so that'll fill this in, and then it'll do the rest. But I am so excited to put this thing on. This was like one of the first things I wanted to do to this bike. Because I didn't really go over this bike that much. I had so many videos made and I ended up not even doing them. So first thing I did was ordered the dark visor, the dark matching sides, LEDs, all 3 LEDs. These are tinted as well. Did a clutch cable, yeah, clutch cable, new battery because that shit was dead. Stupid. The smoked tails as well. And then this is Shark Road. This is their 2-to-1, the megaphone. So I ended up stripping the entire thing off, the heat shield. I stripped literally everything off because I really didn't care for all that personally. I thought it was kind of weird looking, but I like the sound of it. It looks really good. I'm thinking about maybe heat wrapping it just to give it a different look. Might strip some of the Ultra accessories off, like I might keep the lowers, I might add speakers. I'm not really sure what I want to do yet. I've had this bike over a year now, but kind of just messing around with it, seeing what I want to do, testing the waters on it. But It's a great bike though. I love this bike. It's probably one of my favorite bikes I've owned, to be honest. It being a 2000, but yeah, let's throw the seat on and see what she looks like, huh? I'm so excited. I feel like this is gonna be like a night and day difference in bike. Already with the difference. Oh my god, that looks crazy better. I might end up actually ordering a lockout for this. Oh. God dang. Hold on, guys. Hold on, boy. Might be onto something here. That backrest feels great. Holy shit. This is comfortable. And I want to get that extensions off. Look at this. It's kind of like, I don't know what to look at. So obviously having that giant sofa for this whole time has been like, obviously that's a lot more comfortable, clearly. But the aesthetics of this bike's filthy. Look at the, like, just the way it changes the overall, like, look, right? Like, the overall look of the bike just changed. I might actually have to pull it outside into the sun because this looks like crazy better. Like crazy better. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Actually, I gotta take a picture of this. Hold on. Get my phone there. Need a picture of this. Send this to Horchata real quick. Pull this thing outside. This is crazy. I don't know if a rear passenger will be happy with it, but yeah, let's pull it outside. Let's see what it looks like outside. I'm definitely seeing a lot farther back. That's for sure. 100% seeing farther back. Also, if you haven't noticed, San Fran, you feel me? Right up the bay, because that's where the boy from, y'all. Alright, now look. Automatic difference in appeal. Like, look how much, like, just better it looks. Crazy. Crazy. Now, once again, this is a 2000 Electric Light Ultra Limited. Classic, whatever you call it nowadays. Holy shit. This is for all FL models, Road King and Street Glide. Obviously the Ultra, all the touring in that year model fit, so that's not an issue at all. And then I will link the actual part number for Spaz Cycles. And with that, went to Spaz Cycles. It is veteran owned. I was talking with the owner, I think it was Bill. Bill's a great dude, good people, very, very bike savvy, has a nice shop, I think he had a dyno. I heard someone running, or doing some pulls, so I'm assuming he has a dyno, don't quote me. But guy was cool. I had my kids there. He was very nice. He explained that, hey, just so you know, this particular seat, it's not the most comfortable seat. And I was like, hey, I get it. I'm not really 100% going for comfort per se. I'm going for the look. Dang, this bike looks so much better now. Look at that. Sheesh. Wasn't per se going 100% for the comfort. Like if I want comfort, I'll pull out the freaking sofa. But I'm pretty confident that I can withstand some long rides with that seat. So I'm not really mad at that at all. He did let me know, hey, it might not feel the best. I don't 100% recommend this particular one, but that's what you want. He did show me a bunch of other options. He wasn't just trying to push me into another product. He has a lot of really good prices. So if you were to go on, I'll link everything in the description. If you were to go on his website, if you're locally or not locally, he has great prices. He has the open box prices. He gave me a fantastic, a great price on this particular thing. He is not sponsoring this video at all. I'm doing this, I'm shouting him out because I believe in helping businesses, and especially veteran-owned businesses. And like I said, he was great. He didn't push me on anything. He had tons of good products there. I actually probably could have ended up spending a shit ton of money there, I'm not gonna lie to you, but I didn't. I came when I was focused. I got what I wanted to get, and I didn't, you know, try to buy anything else, even though I really wanted to. Sirens. Yeah, great guy, great people. Spaz Cycles, like I said, I'll list them down below. A lot of cool bikes in the parking lot too. He had a really, I don't know whose bike it was, but it was a really nice dyno out there. Yeah, if you're in the area, definitely stop by over there. Shout him out too. TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. I said I'll list his whole thing below. And if anyone has any questions, obviously leave me a comment. But one more time with this bike, just fire, bro, just fire. Actually, I'm meeting up with Jorge later. So this video, I'm not sure if it's gonna go on the Ride with the Reezy channel or another channel. Jorge and I are actually thinking about starting our own channel. Depending on if this is for that channel or the other, or my other channel, or my channel, or that channel. I won't put too much more information, but just in case, there's a nice ride later. Cycle Gear, if no one has Cycle Gear, if they do it in their local area, they do bike nights second Tuesday of every month. Jorge and I believe are going later tonight, 5 to 7. But until then, man, y'all stay safe and y'all keep riding, all right? Peace.